2 more solo songs, and then we'll get the band in.
Love it.
Alright, well, shall I? So this song I haven't sang in a while, and probably, it's a very simple song, so I won't mess up, I think. I do mess up, that's on me.
Okay, Sawyer, we love you.
Anyway, it's called 3 Little Birds. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising star. 3 little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Sing, don't worry about anything, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies for and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about anything, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. So don't worry about anything, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Now rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true.